that spray pretty far back. This is about 6 seconds. It feels like, it looks like.
Yeah.
When it reaches the end of the guardrail, oh, I missed it. I was going to start counting. This is probably about maybe 8 seconds or so. Start counting at the rock cut there. There's a little rock about there. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1005, 1006 or more. You're good. The guy behind you, on the other hand, is probably a little too close. If you get tailgaters, you just increase your own falling distance.
There's the exact guy you're talking about, pulling up, trying to see if there's people coming. Just see if
Oh, yeah? Not sure why that driver, like, the guy's kind of swerving. Off the lines and all that. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. Unless his load is like uneven.
Yeah.
Maybe he's got some low tires or something. Something's going on. So yeah, a guy crashed through the guardrail here, ended up in the swamp. Took out about 10 posts. This was last winter. Not sure even if he survived it. Stuck in traffic for about maybe about 20-25 minutes or so. Slow moving traffic.
you're centered right on it, so. You know what that feels like? Like getting in an accident.
You know what it feels like?
I wonder.
You don't want to know.
Never want to know.
My mother got into a major collision.
Something.
Wheels locked.
Yeah.
Steering wheel locked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seatbelt saver.
Yes, yeah. Bottom of the hill at the lights. We're going to make a right turn. Line of traffic behind you, you want to get in there and block any vehicles from passing you. Speed up. This is your runway. Accelerator lane. Space, don't tailgate. Why would they have that?
Because of this.
Huh. I think that'd be like, common sense.
No, I know. As we pass,
It's a reminder.
As we pass the sign with 25 cars all lined up with a football field.
Look at this.
Like,
I don't know what it is. They follow so close here around the gas station. It's the most dangerous place to be. doing the speed limit on the highway, though, it's very rare that you have to pass it.
Yeah. Doesn't make sense.
They did studies to see if it, people speeding will get you where you want to go quicker. You might save 30 minutes or so.
Worth the time off your life. Jeez.
Not really. At the lights here, we're going to make a right turn. Left into the food land. Whatever they call it. No. Food land is the arsenal.
Yeah.
Value Mart. It's odd here.
Oh, yeah.
Just go around that way here.
Around here or around the back?
Down that way here. We'll go down to the last lane and make a left. Because if we make a right, we'll be crashing into a building. And man, nobody wants to park
Still.
like two cars. It's not happening. Okay, well, we'll use the white truck. We'll park beside the white truck over here. Like back it in.
Might be a little too close.
That's what almost ran over my daughter. That kind of thing.
That would be quite scary.
Oh yeah, like it traumatized her.
Big time. Same thing.
Yeah.
Camera's a little dirty again.
Yeah. It's like old school.
There we go.
No backup camera.
Park and brake engaged.
Perfect. That's good. Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right. We'll make a right. I was hoping that we could find a space between two cars. We'll head out there. And a right turn. And then we'll make a left turn here. Then we'll make the first right turn. And let's do a roadside stop.
So that would just be like, is that the one with the hazards?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. So you canceled your signal,
Mhm.
put it in drive, engage park to brake, and you put your hazard lights on.
Hazards always last.
And also remember, before pulling over, you want to check that right blind spot. For
Okay.
snowmen. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay. We're good to go.
And then that first?
Yeah, you just do everything in the opposite order.
Okay.
What the heck? It's not one of your hairs. It's not mine
Mine.
either. Man, I can't believe how mild it is.
Oh, yeah.
4 degrees. That's weird. For
Nice
like the end
day.
of December, that's really strange.
Oh, we got strange winters in Sudbury.
Oh yeah.
Very
Let's
strange.
see. Can't see the name of that. Edward. Yep. Let's make a left.